Welcome to the channel .NET Hack. Welcome to the another video episode of C Sharp tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about constant read-only keywords in C Sharp with a simple example. Let's start one by one. So let's understand the definition of constant. A constant is an compile time constant, meaning it values must be assigned at the time of declaration and cannot be changed later. So constants fields are implicitly static. So they belongs to the class or struct, not an instance. They can only they can only hold primitive types like integers, double strings, or enum values. So let's see with a simple example for that. I create one class called a program. In that class, I have create one constant variable. So, so the pi value 3.14, it's never going to be changed because it is a constant value. So that's why we have to use constant variable to declare the pi value. The constant variable, declare the we have to assign a value at the time of declarations. Otherwise, it will be throw an error. So if I remove the value for the constant variable, so it will be throw an error. So your constant fields require the value to be provided. Otherwise, it will be throw an error. So next, I have to create one main class, main method. So in the main method, I'm going to call the pi value. Pi is equal to program dot pi. Okay. So we don't need to any create a instance for the class for the program. So we can call the constant value directly class itself. So we don't need to create instance for the classes. In constant variable, we can be declared in the both class or method itself. So I can copy this. I can also declare in the method itself. Method itself. So in constant variable, we have three key points for that. So first one is we need to assign a value at the time of declaration. So second one, we don't need to create instant for the classes to call the variables. The third one is we can be declared a constant variable for both methods or class. So this is the concept of constant variable. Next, we can move on to the read-only variable. The read-only variable, it is a runtime constant. So we can assign a value to the read-only field at the time of declaration or inside the constructor. So once assigned the value, it cannot be changed. So let's see a simple example for that. So in that class, I changed the constant to read-only. In read-only variable, we can be assign a value at the time of declaration. It is an optional. So we can be assign a value as constructor as well. So I create one constructor. So in the constructor, I can be assign the value for it. So next, if you want to call the read-only variable, we need to create a instance for the class for the program. So program pg is equal to new create one class. So pi is equal to pg dot py. So we need to create an instance for the class to access the read-only variable, and then we can be assign a value at the time of declaration, or else we can be declared in the constructor as well. The read-only variable cannot be declared in the method. For example, if I copy this, so I can try to declare in the method, so it will be throw an error. So the read-only variable only we can be declared in the class itself. We cannot be declared in the method. So this is the concept of read-only variable. Thank you for watching this video. If you found helpful, please share with friends and subscribe to the channel .NET Crack. Thank you.